Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings to everybody, guys. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. So market wasn't able to complete our conditions that we have discussed in the recent video. So if you remember, here was two confidence supports on the market. It's the first one, and to continue upward action, it will be perfect that market should hold inside of the channel. But as soon as market has completed this ABCD XOP target, I have talked about it as this red retracement here is a bit different compared to what we have here. In this moment, it was too fast in acceleration back to this area. And we said that although we could try to take the long position, but move your stops to the break-even as soon as minor pullback here will happen. That was the first confluence. That is the second confluence. So market also just spent small time here around this area and collapsed. So here, market stands at the major fib support of the whole upward action. And reaction of this support stands very, very anemic. So it's nothing. So it's not some kind of the reversal. We're not seeing any thrusting action here. It means that the retracement that has happened here in recent week mostly is over. So currently we should be ready for a downward continuation, I suggest. And this continuation could be in different shapes. So if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, here is an important moment exists that take a look, market has returned back down inside of this consolidation and broken the lower border of this consolidation again. It was not able to proceed higher, but dropped below it. This could lead to appearing of the kind of the maybe ABCD pattern or even butterflies I have drawn it here. The question is now is just from what point it will start, but it really could start right from here. In this case, we will be watching for first is 127 extension of the butterfly. Stands approximately at 61.20. It's the points 127 butterfly. Potentially in the longer term, on the daily chart, this could be another butterfly, larger scale. And it has the target at 58 even. So that is what where is our next target actually stand. And this is also our long-term weekly target, if you remember. So we have in general overall bearish view, and we said that these problems with the Bitfinex, this collapse will play a negative role in for the Bitcoin, and this lead to the reassessment by the investors on view on the cryptocurrencies. Definitely, it will be treated as less reliable asset right now. With having the positive background for United States dollar, it really could happen that retracement is over. Market stands in a new leg to the downside. Besides, market hasn't quite reached the COP target. That was the minimal target of this ABCD pattern. So even minimal target has not been hit. Although theoretically this chance is still possible because as you can see the C point still stands valid. So only if market will break through it to the downside, it will erase this ABCD pattern. But the tendency that we see right now on intraday charts, the speed of the dropping that market has broken all important supports area, that not quite agrees with the idea of the further upward continuation. Since market hasn't hit any significant targets, it has broken all major support areas, so it looks like the weakness, sign of weakness. That's why in current circumstances, it seems that the chance on a downward continuation on the Bitcoin is possible. And the first two targets that you could keep an eye on, so it's a kind of the ABCD pattern here. You could calculate by yourself the targets that you could get, and potentially ultimately on the 4-hour time frame chart, that will be 127 extension 61.20 target.